Hi, I'm Daniel Ventura and welcome to the PROMiXX Academy. Here are my top 6 keto mistakes. Not drinking enough water. Now remember, our body weight consists of 60% water, our brains are nearly 80% water, and one thing that happens with a ketogenic diet is your insulin levels drop quite dramatically. Your insulin will hold on to sodium, so if you're not holding on to sodium, you will get dehydrated pretty quickly. That's why it's important to top up with potassium, magnesium, and let's not forget, lots and lots of water. 3 to 5 liters a day will keep the doctor away. Cutting out those delicious carbs and introducing fats far too quickly. If you're one of these people that's used to a high carb diet, going into a full-blown keto diet is going to be a real struggle and it's not going to be sustainable. So why not try 1 day off, 1 day on in keto style, and then after that do half a day on, half a day off, and eventually you'll be able to go to a full-blown keto diet and it won't be such a huge transition. Forgetting to eat the right types of fats. Now, it is true that a keto diet is all about high fat, medium protein and low carbohydrates, but it's important to remember what types of fats you are consuming. Healthy fats are the preferred choice. Omega-3, MCT, those types of fats, rather than hydrogenated fats and trans fats. So stay away from Kentucky Fried Chicken and go for a salmon fillet instead. Not salting your food. Now, one thing I'm always preaching is that when you have a keto style diet, your sodium levels will drop because of low insulin. Now, if you don't top up your sodium and your salt, of course, you will feel brain fog, lethargy, and muscle cramps. So don't forget to sprinkle pink Himalayan salt on your food, and you can drink it in a glass of water as well. Not allowing yourself keto treats. Now, a keto diet will be very bland and boring if all you eat is eggs, bacon, cheese, and avocado day in and day out. So allow yourself keto treats, keto muffins, keto chocolate cakes, anything that you can think of that you really fancy, make a keto version and make the diet sustainable for you. Getting caught up in carb counting and forgetting quality foods. Now, it's an easy mistake to make to concentrate on the high fat, medium protein and eliminating carbs, and find yourself in fast food restaurants eating processed food which is full of, let's face it, rubbish. Now concentrate on quality foods and don't worry so much about the carbs. Avoid carbs but concentrate more on whole foods, whole chicken, whole salmon fillets and decent oils and fats. So there are my top 6 keto mistakes. Now, if you feel I've missed something out, please leave a comment below. But if you want to see more videos like this, click like and subscribe.